So today we'll be solving most frequent, which is the today's problem on FreeCodeCamp. I'll be solving in Python. So what we have given is element. We want to find the element which is most commonly appearing or which is the most frequent. So there is just one element which will be the most common or most frequent element in the array. So we have given a list of elements and we want to return a single element which will be the most frequent. So how we'll start is we'll first create a sort of a frequency map which will be a dictionary in Python or a map in another language. So frequency map will be an initialized to empty dictionary, and then we'll iterate over all the elements in the array and keep a track of all the count of these each element. So for n in array, we if the n is already in the frequency map, will increment its occurrence, that is the frequency. So it will be that existing one plus one. So that will increment it. Else, if it is not found in the frequency map, then we'll initialize the frequency as 1. So that is how we'll initialize and increment the counts for each element. And what we have to do is then sort this dictionary with the values for that. So this is a handy thing in Python. We'll sort the dictionary, which is frequency in our case, the items. So it will return a list of tuples as key and a value. So we'll return we sort it based on the item of one that is the value, and then it will return a list of tuples. So the 0 is the key and 1 is the value. We want the last element, so we'll return -1, and this list will return 0 as key and 1 as value. So we want the value in this case. So this will work because we want to get the first element, that is the value of that uh, list, and I will paste it in the online code editor and then check out how it works. And you can see it has errored out. I think I've misspelled the name frequency. It should be frequency in the initialization, not frequency map. So that is the thing sorted, and then the output is 2, which is weird. It's okay, okay, it's right, but we want not the value, we want the key. So instead of 1, we will return 2, sorry, 0. That will be the key and not the value. So we'll get return A. Yeah. So that is how it works. And once you submit this problem, we also need to edit it in the editor. I did it for checking what was wrong. So this is 0, and then that is how we submit the problem.